In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a drop-down list in Excel. If you've inherited a spreadsheet where certain cells only let you pick from a small set of options, that's a data validation list. It's handy for consistency, but sometimes you need to type freely again. The good news is that removing the drop-down is quick, and it won't delete any values already in the cells. Start by heading to the Data tab on the ribbon along the top of Excel. This is where Excel groups tools that control how information is entered and managed. If you're not sure whether a cell has a drop-down, look for the small arrow that appears when the cell is selected. That arrow is a giveaway that a validation list is in place. The steps you're about to follow will apply to whatever cells are currently selected, whether that's a single cell or a larger range, so keep that in mind as you proceed. Next, choose Data Validation within the Data tab. You'll typically find it in the Data Tools group. Selecting it opens the Data Validation dialog, which is where Excel defines what's allowed in the selected cells. On the Settings tab, you'll see the current rule. When a list is involved, the Allow box will be set to List, often with a source range or comma-separated items. This dialog also includes two other tabs: Input Message, which shows a helpful note when a cell is selected, and Error Alert, which displays a warning if someone types something that isn't permitted. It's useful to know these are all part of the same feature because clearing validation will remove those prompts and alerts too. Then choose Clear All in the Data Validation dialog. This action strips the selected cells of their data validation rules, including any list restrictions, input messages, and error alerts. The contents of the cells remain as they are. Only the rules go away. Once cleared and confirmed, the little drop-down arrow disappears, and you can type any value you need without being blocked by the previous list settings. A couple of practical tips as you finish up. This approach works the same across recent versions of Excel on both Windows and Mac. If you need to remove several drop-downs at once, ensure those cells are included in your selection before opening Data Validation so they're all cleared together. And if you change your mind right after clearing, you can quickly undo to restore the previous validation. That's all there is to it. By using the Data tab, opening Data Validation, and choosing Clear All, you regain full editing freedom in your worksheet while preserving your existing data.